all nurses should resume duty with effect and in any case not later than Friday, the 15th of February, 2019 at 8 a.m. Number 2, as the Commander-in-Chief of the Kenya Defence Forces, I have instructed the National Police Service to take stern action against those picketeers who may intimidate or otherwise harass the public servants who intend to go to work. 3, accordingly, any nurse who fails to report to work as directed above will be dismissed by the county governments and the Ministry of Health. The respective county governments will therefore be at liberty to undertake any action as they deem appropriate against personnel who fail to resume duty as directed by the Employment and Labor Relations Court. It is disheartening to hear officials of the nursing union declare that they will not obey court orders. One of the most important principles on which our republic is established is the rule of law, and no one is above the law. Obeying court orders is not optional, and it is a requirement of all of us, no matter their place in society.